Hello everyone, it's me ASMR welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll provide you another preset which is the city lights, and this one I preset made for you guys, and I'll provide you this preset for your photography editing purpose. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first I'll just go to the home, and this one, the stock image, and if you want to get the stock image download link, please check out my video description. For the backup purpose, I'll make a copy by pressing Ctrl or Command J. After that, go to the filter, camera filter. So if you want to get the camera filter 12.3, please check out my video description, or you can go to the Adobe website, camera filter, you can search it out and you can update your camera filter. It will make your life easier. And here lots of changes in new version, that means 12.3, and from here you'll get a small menu that is the dot, and click over there, load settings options, and I made the preset for you guys, and I'll provide you that preset. City Sun is the preset for you, and load it up. It will take time and providing you the output. Let's see the before and after. If I explain all the panels and all the setups what I've done over there, so let's see the changes. Here the exposure 0, highlights plus 17, shadow minus 15, blacks minus 11. That's why you're getting some proper highlighting and the shadow over there. And texture plus 9, that's why you're getting the texture from the background. And vibrance, that is the 15. Mid-tone I made it plus values, and the saturation 8. That's good. And let's go to the curves. Here I made the tone curves like that, RGB tone curves, and here I make it like the gamma like that, and here or here other color I didn't change over there. Detailing options, added some sharpness, that is 69, and noise 35, and the color 25. And color mixture, I used the hue, saturation, luminance, 3 panels. Hue, what color will be, saturation, percentage of the color, and luminance, the intensity of the color. At first the hue, I made the hue of the orange minus 18, yellow minus 26, green plus 65, aqua plus 92, and the blue minus 16. That's why you're getting the aqua tone over there, and the back side as well. And here minus 23 for the yellow saturation, and the green I made the green saturation minus 83, blue plus 29, and luminance, intensity of the color plus 53 for the orange, yellow that is 44 plus 44, and the green minus 45, aqua 14. Okay, let's go to the split toning, highlight color and the shadow color. Highlight color value is 80, saturation 32, and the hue of the shadow color value, that is 360, and the saturation 10. And then the optics, no lens correction issues and geometrics, other stuffs. Effects, I added some post-crop vignetting, that is minus 12. And the calibration, I use the primary red color, that is plus 35 for the hue value, and the green primary, that is also 35, and the saturation 3, and blue primary minus 29, and saturation plus 3, and then hit the OK button. And one thing is that, good news, you can use this preset in your Lightroom as well. I'm using here the camera filter, you can use it your Lightroom as well. And after that, if you want to add another filters or other stuffs, you can go to the like color lookup options. From here, color lookup, you can use one of the color lookup from here if you need, and changes the opacity, you'll get extra fill. And after that, if you want to get another filters, you can go to the filter, Nick collection, color effects, Pro 4. This one is another plugins of the Photoshop, bunch of filters and preset over there. If you want to get the download link, please check out my video description. Lots of method and other stuffs over there, and I'm using the cross processing Here's the sub method. T01 is good for that. If you want, you can change the strength and the percentage. So I'm making it 25% is good, and hit OK. It will take couple of seconds and providing you the final output, what you have applied on that panel. Okay, fine. It's loading up. Okay, let's see the final before the normal image and after. You're getting this type of cinematic tone or city lights, whatever you can tell. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If it did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications and amazing pieces and the design related tutorials. And until the next video, I'm Azam signing out today. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.